Hi everybody, I wanted to jump on here to explain how to do this escape room to hopefully help you out and make more sense. So once you're in the website, this is what it looks like. You will need to scroll down and here is each task. It's one task per day. For the first question over here is going to be wanting your first and last name. So you will need to do that. As you can see, I am on task 2 right now. But if you click on task 1, it's going to, sorry about this. Oh, here's task 1. So it will open like this in a Google slide, and what you need to do is solve each problem. Okay, so you're solving for the variable, so what is C? And let's say you're, so let's say your answer is 8. You're going to have to move that red arrow over, okay? And then let's say your answer is 16. Okay, you just move these over, and then along the bottom is where you're going to put the number of the problem that you solved. List the question numbers of the problems you solved to complete the maze. Okay, so it's not the answers, it's the problem number that you had to solve throughout, and then you will get a 4-digit code. So when you go back over to here for your 4-digit code, you will need to enter in that 4-digit code. Okay, so for task 2, looks like this. You need to move these tiles over to the correct answers and then solve. So down here at the bottom is going to be directions on how to solve, to put in the code right here before moving on to the next task. Okay, I hope this helps. I'll do another check-in tomorrow.